Hi, boys and girls. Miss Karvala here. Hope you're excited about our new animal unit that we're doing. I've got my cheetah sweater on to kick it off. So hopefully yesterday you had fun working with the animal image floods pictures that you saw. And you also got a chance to do the I Wonder wall. So today we are going to be working on taking some of these animal words that we are going to use and we're going to put them into ABC or alphabetical order by their first letter. So that's what our I can statement is going to be today. We're going to be putting words into ABC or alphabetical order by their first letter. So if you can look at the back of my screen, it says animals that we are curious about. So I want you to take a second, and I'm sure after seeing lots of pictures yesterday, I want you to be thinking of an animal that you are curious about or you'd like to learn more about. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to do that. Okay, so while you're still thinking, I have a couple that I want to add to my Jamboard. So I'm going to click on my sticky note. And I'm very curious about different types of snakes. So this. Okay, I'll give you a couple more seconds to be thinking. Are any of you curious about horses? Maybe? And again, if you have your own animal that you're going to be thinking about on your own, you can do that later. But right now, we're just going to practice with a few that I know that I'm curious about. Hopefully, you are too. I'm curious about lions. Let's see, get another sticky note. And I'm always curious about dogs, but I want to learn about different types of dogs. Okay, so this is just a start, Miss Karvala's what I wonder. I'm sure you've got plenty more animals that you wonder about. So as we're looking at all these animals that we are wondering about, snakes, dogs, bears, horses, lions, I'm trying to think of a way we could organize these words. And we were talking earlier from our I can statement that we could use ABC order or alphabetical order. And it's kind of like when we're back in the classroom, we used our word wall to organize our words. And our word wall, we had A and all the A words under the A. We had B words under B all the way to Z. So that's kind of like what we're going to do today with our animal words. So if I had to figure out, I hope you can see my poster here. I'll move it up a little bit for you. If you can see my poster, I have to figure out which one of my words here in my Jamboard would go first. Snakes, bears, horses, lions, dogs. Okay, so which word would come first if we were going in our word wall order or ABC order? Which letter comes first? Well, does an A and A in the alphabet come first? But I don't have any words that start with A. So we'll go to the next letter. Do we have any words that start with B? Anybody see a B? I see a B, and that word is B, bears. So I know that bears is going to go first in my list because it starts with a B. So I'm going to put bears right here next to this one. And it says animals we wonder about or curious about. Okay, so my next one. Let's see, I've already got B. What can I have to be? C. Do I have any words that start with a C? No. Do I have any words that start with a D? Oh my goodness, I have a D for dogs, and the D sound is D, dogs. So I know that dogs is going to go next or second. Okay, so let's keep going. And actually, you could take your pen or your pencil and cross out dogs and cross out bears because I already used them. Let's see, A, B, C, D, E. Do I have any words that start with E? No, I do not. E, F, nope. G? No. How about H? H. Horses. Oh my goodness. So horses goes next because it starts with an H. So I'm putting my horses next. Again, we're going in ABC order, just like on your word wall in the classroom. So we have bears, dogs, because that's D, and then horses, because horses starts with H. Get that closer for you. All right, let's keep going. So H, I, no, I have two left. Snakes and lions. So I can actually look at snakes and lions. Look at that first letter. This one is L, lions, and this one is S, snake. So which letter comes first in the alphabet? Does L come first or does S come first? So if you're going across your word wall or your alphabet strip in school, you would know that L comes before S. So lions is going to go next. Bears, dogs, horses, lions. So my last animal has to be snakes. So that's the last one I have left. Snakes. S. So snakes is my last one. And there you have it. You guys helped Miss Karvala alphabetize or put into ABC order our 5 animal names that I was curious or was wondering about. And you're going to have a chance to be practicing ABC order all throughout this week. So I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Continue to stay with me because our next lesson is going to be about predators. And also it's going to be about nonfiction text features that you're going to be looking for as you're reading your animal books. I'll see you soon, boys and girls. Have fun alphabetizing.